One kind request again and again to all of you to please change your ID if it is in your parents' name or brother or sister's name. So, good morning to all of you. We have already started the lesson Inventions. Very first question for all of you. Who invented locomotive? Who invented locomotive? Yesterday I told you that is one of the important inventions that changed the world. Okay, it is due to locomotive that the carriages are running on a railway track, isn't it? Yes, Avani Pathak gave correct answer. Sonakshi, Shreyashi, Dhali, good morning. Ira gave wrong answer. She did not complete the entire word. And Kostub has written very wrong spelling. Vanshika Shah wrote wrong. Spelling mistakes are there. Nancy has written very correct spelling. Okay, so please be careful about spelling also because now it is the time to make your foundation strong. If you start writing wrong spellings now, then it will become habit. Okay, what we learn during our childhood, it remains throughout the life. Okay, what I learned in my childhood, still it is very difficult to remove such habits. So, right from childhood, you have to cultivate, you have to inculcate good habits. Okay, whether it may be writing very correctly, whether it may be reading very correctly, speaking very correctly, whatever it may be. It is not related only with education, but whatever field it may be. So, very correct answer is given by all of you. George Stephenson was the person who invented locomotive. Very simple question. Next question. Yesterday we studied who invented steam engine. Who invented steam engine? Who invented steam engine? Yes, Ira gave correct answer. Vanshika, Avani, Vedant, Densi did not write anything. She just wrote yes sir. Sonakshi, Shaurya, Kostub, Densi has written now. Nikshay. James Watt is very correct answer. Yesterday we discussed how he invented steam engine, and yesterday I told you the difference between discovery and invention and the story behind the discovery of steam engine. Now the next question, depending on the yesterday's video, before how many years this steam engine was invented by James Watt? Before how many years this steam engine was invented by James Watt? Yes, yesterday I told you, so I expect answer from you. 120 is the wrong answer. Yes, 300 years, it is very correct answer. It was invented before 300 years by James Watt. A simple incident I told you, he was boiling the water with the force of the steam, the lid of the container fell down. So he thought the steam is having the capacity to do the work. That innovative idea led to the discovery of steam engine. I just told in very short what we studied yesterday. Okay, then the next discovery by George Stephenson was locomotive. Stephenson. Now tell me, what do you understand by the word locomotive? What do you understand by the word locomotive? Yes, what do you understand by the word Locomotive. Locomotive. What do you understand by the word locomotive? Yes, yesterday, if you remember, yesterday I told you word locomotion. Locomotion is to move from one place to another. Now, what is this locomotive? Locomotive, it is an engine. It is an engine that pulls the carriages along railway. Okay, that is called locomotive. Okay, engine of a train. Kostu Ambedkar gave very correct answer. Okay, it is due to the engine of the train that all the carriages they run on a railway track, isn't it? That is the meaning of the word locomotive. It was invented by George Stephenson. Now, just think of your surrounding. Now, do you think this invention is very important? If you think it is very important and has changed the world, please write yes. Why for yes? You can write why also. If you think that the discovery of invention of locomotive has changed the world, if you think it is yes, write why. Sonakshi, Kavish, Payal, Avani, Densi, Ishika, Ira, Vanshika, all they are accepting. Yes, you are correct. It is the locomotive that pulls the carriages on the railway track, and you know the goods are transferred from one place to another only due to